welcome to my vlog. I just got a new camera. You were on a GoPro. You guys hear Charles in the background. I'm about to get in the bathtub. I'm very excited, but I have some boxes. I have some new goodies that I wanted to share with everyone first. So I can just walk everyone through. I got the Unseen sunscreen from Supergoop. It is a clean sunscreen, SPF 40. If I haven't given you guys the SPF talk and how important it is, let me know. I can definitely make that happen. But I've heard amazing things about this. I got an at-home chemical peel set. It comes with 10 uses in it, and I am obsessed. Shout out Vanessa for putting me on those. And then I also came out with the Laneige lip mask. I have heard amazing things about this, and I'm really excited to try it. You guys, those are the only three things I bought in here. The rest of these are samples. Like, you guys, if you guys buy stuff from Sephora, make sure you are always looking at the samples. They hook you up, literally hook you up. And then, you guys, I'm so pumped about this. So, this comes with every order and only for you. I didn't even pick this out. Like, I just got this. I didn't know this was coming, so I'm very excited. It's a co-wash conditioning cleanser. So this will be great for if you have actually curly hair, which I don't, but I'm still very excited to try that. So I'll just move them over into here. Monat is so thoughtful. They are sending out hand sanitizer to everyone who orders, obviously with the current situation. So that's very sweet of them. Okay, now stuff I've actually ordered. This 30-second miracle basically will make it look like you got 10 hours of sleep when you got 5, and then make it look like you've done skincare your entire life. I'm so excited for this. If you guys want to see a wear test on any of these, let me know. Okay, and then our C Radiance serum. So I currently have the hyaluronic acid serum, but I also wanted the C Radiance. It's a vitamin C serum made with kakadu plums, which have like a crazy exponential amount of vitamin C versus the average orange, which I love. So I'm really excited for this. It's supposed to give you very glowy, hydrated skin. I mean, who doesn't want that? This is the Be Gentle moisturizer. I have this, and I'm literally about to finish it today, and I got it back in September. This lasts so long, and it's so good. So this is for the dry and sensitive skin, whereas we have another line for oily combination. And to go along with that, YouTubers make it look so much easier to do stuff with one hand. This is the matching moisturizer for dry and sensitive skin. Very excited for that. Oh, I'm so pumped. Eye Smooth. This is our eye cream, and it's so nice, and I'm so excited for a refill on this one. I still have a decent amount left. I just figured I'd get it all at once. And then, oh my gosh, I might be most excited for this. It's called Night Haven. It is a night cream, and from what I've been hearing, the reviews are insane, and this is going to be just a glow. I don't even know what to call you guys. This is going to make you so glowy and so happy, and I'm very excited. I'm going to get in the bath now. Today I am using these. I'm going to make my favorite peanut butter chocolate chip energy bites. They are so good, and they are super, super simple. So I have mixed all of this by hand before, and it's fine. This is just so much easier, and the texture gets a lot better in my opinion. Charles, did you like the texture of this better?
Yes. The ones that I've been seeing are amazing.
Yeah.
They don't fall apart.
It's almost like cookie dough, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, so good. So I'm going to take 2 cups of oats. I get whole rolled, but I think you could get any of the other ones, it'd be fine. So 2/3 cup of oats. And to that, I'm going to add 1/4 cup honey, and then a 1/3 cup of peanut butter. So in here I have the oats, the honey, and the peanut butter. I just added some of this protein powder in. I do a scoop to a scoop and a half. But I will show you the size of my scoop because obviously if you have a bigger scoop, these might turn out really dry. So I use, I'm like a little baker in my hands. A teaspoon of vanilla, I just eyeball it because I'm too lazy. You can never do too much, so. And then I'm going to take this and I'm going to mix it until it has a good consistency. So it is getting close. Charles, want to show them what it looks like. It's kind of rolling up a little bit. And last step, I'm going to add about a quarter cup, maybe less, of chocolate chips. I like the mini ones because then it kind of tastes like cookie dough. So good. I'm just gonna add the rest of the bag because what am I gonna keep 3 chocolate chips for at the end? Ooh, let's look at that chunk. I hope that's a 1 cookie ball. Perfect, okay. So now I am going to scoop them out and just put them in these, oh bitch, I love these Pyrex times Snapware. Such a good collaboration. Charles and I are super bougie about our containers. What is that called? Tupperware?
Yeah.
And those are so fire. So I'll just take, this is I think a medium 1-inch cookie scoop, but I'll take it and I'll kind of press it in so there aren't a bunch of air bubbles. And then, oh my gosh, look how good that looks. And with this cookie scoop, it should make around 12 of these. I will normally have like 1 or 2 as a snack, and they're super, super filling. And the ingredients are pretty clean too. Is this a gun show over there?
He looks swole.
Really? Chocolate chip. Okay, you guys, I literally just filmed this and then realized I took a picture. You cannot make it up. I was talking for like 5 minutes straight. It is like, it's 8:56 and I was supposed to be asleep like 2 hours ago, but I wanted to get on here and update because I wanted to do a week of vlogs, and look at me on day 2. I wasn't going to post anything, but I figured I'd come on here and chat. So today was a super busy day. I feel like for work, I haven't been that busy, but today I had like 10 things to do in literally 6 minutes. So it was just a grind. And then Charles and I had a couple errands we needed to do. Like, we really wanted a desk, and we went all over the place looking for one. Obviously couldn't find one because no one can find one. Plot we ended up finding one online, and I'm obsessed with it. I'll show it in a vlog if it comes. Oh, it'll come eventually, so I'll show it in a vlog then. But it was just a super long day, and then we went to this taco place because it's Cinco de Mayo today. And of course, everyone was going to this place. It's incredible. And we were literally in that place waiting for our takeout for 51 minutes. Like, we saw the line and we started to stopwatch because like, this is going to be nuts. But it was worth it. It's so good. And it's like a family-owned restaurant, so I feel really good about that. And we got home at like 7, which is normally when I go to sleep. I made banana bread. I didn't vlog that because, again, today was a day and I needed to make it today. I didn't have time to vlog it. I didn't even want to make it, but honestly, the bananas, they were ready for banana bread like 3 days ago, and I didn't have enough chocolate chips yesterday, and then today I got chocolate chips, and then I was super busy, so we got it done. I'll share that in another vlog. It's Emma McDonald's recipe. It's gluten-free and vegan, very clean ingredients, and it's so good. It just tastes like cake. You cannot argue with cake. What else? I wanted to talk about this. I had obviously a super busy day, and I know I'm going to be tired tomorrow when I wake up at 4. I know I'm going to be tired, but I'm honestly not even mad because I had such a good, productive day. I finished all my work things. I helped Charles find a desk because he was really excited to do that and he really wanted to. So I'm pumped that we found something for him. I had really good Mexican food. I helped a girl join my team for my hair and skincare brand. It's not my brand, Monate. I helped her join my team. I helped another girl pick out products. It was just such a productive day that I'm not even mad that I was this busy. You know, like obviously I wish I had a little bit of downtime, but if all of my time is going to be taken up by productive things, you know what? That's totally fine with me. I am going to go to sleep immediately because I'm going to be so exhausted, but I wanted to check in and say what's up and give you a summary of my day. But yeah, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Guys, I am back again to chat a little bit. So yesterday I showed it on here, I made this random pancake recipe that just came into my mind, and oh my gosh, it was so good, and I made it again today and it was super good again. I didn't know if it was a fluke or not. So I will measure what I did because I just kind of eyeballed it, but I'll measure it so I can tell you because it was so good. It was half a banana, maybe a half cup-ish of Kodiak Cakes mix. I use PE Science protein powder because I think it bakes really well and it's really good in pancakes. I used the cake pop flavor. I used half a scoop of that and a little bit of vanilla extract and then water. That's it. And then I obviously put syrup on it because I'm not a monster, but it was so good. Oh my gosh, they were so moist inside. Oh my God. I could go on. But yeah, I tried it again today and I knew I wanted to share with you guys that it actually turned out. I didn't know if I was even going to post it because I was kind of winging it, but I'm very happy with how it turned out. Today is Thursday, so I am so excited for this weekend. This work week has been insane. It is currently like 7:10-ish, so I am literally in bed going to sleep right now. So I wanted to check out before I go to sleep. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. I'm back. It is Sunday. I literally meant to film all of yesterday because I cooked a little bit. I went on a nice walk, but I honestly even left most of my electronics behind. Like when I was on my walk, I'd listen to a health podcast. I had a very wholesome day. So I literally totally forgot to bring my camera with for the entire day. But that's okay, it was very productive. Today has been super, super chill. I just got off a team call. It was about positivity and mindset. And I want to share something super interesting that Aspen talked about. She is my mentor, my upline. She talked about the capacity to have and that you are conditioned throughout your life to believe that you're only deserving of having so much. And for a lot of people, this will limit their growth. And she just talked about how to change your mindset and believe that you can have anything you put your mind to. I'm very inspired. I was about to get into bed and go to sleep for tomorrow, but now I think I'm going to do some goal setting in my planner for this next week and get organized because I'm very inspired. But thank you guys for watching my vlog. I hope to have this up very soon. I need to get better about this, but I'm hoping to have some type of consistent cadence. So keep your eyes open for that, and thank you for watching. Bye.